Hey guys, so today we're going to do a brand new 12th gen Intel Core build using an RTX 3070, and we are using an Intel Core i5-12400F, brand new Alder Lake platform, pairing this alongside a B660 motherboard from MSI. So to start the system, we are going to install the CPU. I believe I got this brand new for under $100, which is such a good deal for a B board, and for it being brand new, this is amazing because you get the warranty with it, so if anything happens you can easily return it. And you know, basically the reason why I chose this is because it was priced as the same as an H board, but with the B board you're able to overclock the RAM a little more, which is a Cougar micro ATX case I just picked up. Do a quick update. Sorry, I don't have a tripod, so cameraman left, but this is how it's looking so far. We do have the water cooler installed. We have a 240mm AIO, and I added these fans. They are some super ultra slim fans. Reason why is because I need RAM clearance, and we're going with 32 gigs of Corsair Dominators, and they are extremely thick. So I needed the most RAM clearance possible, so I went with these. And just want to show it installed the motherboard. There is the 12th gen i5, and I added a nocturnal fan up here in the front, so we're gonna get sufficient cooling. All that's left is everyone's favorite part of the video, which is usually installing the graphics card. And right here we got the Zotac 3070, I believe comes factory overclocked with 8 gigabytes of VRAM. And you know, we got this dual fan, very small and compact. Gonna look very nice in this. So after I installed it, I just want to show you guys closely. The actual RAM is physically touching the fans, and it's applying some sort of down pressure on it, but I think we're fine because it's only the coolers and they did click on, so I think we're good. I have an exhaust fan and RGB at the very end, so got everything hooked up. Gonna put on the drivers, SSD and hard drive, and then, you know, get this thing up and running. Let me know what you guys think.